If you are paying for 10 or more marketing tools every month, you may be spending more money and time you need to. Instead of growing your business, you are focusing on managing your software. In this video, I'll show you how GoHighLevel can replace many of the tools business use for marketing, sales, and automation. Instead of learning 10 different platforms, you learn a system that does it all. So let's start. Number one, CRM. You may not need a separate CRM anymore. GoHighLevel lets you manage your leads, contacts, conversation, and sales pipeline in one place. So instead of paying for another CRM, you can manage your lead inside GoHighLevel. On Conversation tab, you can manage all things like email, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. So you don't have to go separate place to make your conversation. Here in all tab, you can manage your email and social platform as well, so it will save lots of time. Here we can connect with your all popular platform. You can post on your Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and any other platform you like. Email marketing. With GoHighLevel, you can send email campaign and create automation follow-up and workflows, so your email marketing can stay in the same system as your CRM. Funnels and landing page. GoHighLevel lets you create landing pages, capture leads, and sales funnel without needing another platform. And the best part is your leads can go directly into your CRM and automation. Calendar booking. If you use another tools for appointment, you may not need it anymore. GoHighLevel has its own calendar and booking system. Customer can book appointments and you can automatically send reminder and follow-ups. Google review. For local businesses, it can be very useful. GoHighLevel can automatically request review after a completed job. So instead of asking every customer manually, you can create an automation process to request review. The more review you will get, it will help you to get more new clients. Workflow automation. Instead of paying for another automation platform, you can build workflow inside GoHighLevel. It can nurture your leads and send missed call text back. For example, when a new list come in, you can automatically send a message, notify your team, add the lead to your pipeline, and start a follow-up sequence. AI tools. GoHighLevel also has a growing list of AI tools. You can use AI for things like conversation, content, workflow, funnel, and voice. When you sign up as a new customer, you might get access of few AI tools for free. So instead of having different tools for your CRM, email marketing, funnels, appointment, reviews, automation, and AI, you can bring many of those tasks into one platform. If you want to try GoHighLevel, check the link in the description. You will get 30 days free trial instead of standard 14 days trial. Now, does GoHighLevel replace every tool for every business? Not really. Some business will still need a specialized tool. But if you are currently paying for 5, 10 or even more marketing platform, it's worth checking how much you can reduce the cost. And that's one main reason I think GoHighLevel is worth looking at. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more simple GoHighLevel tutorial and business automation tips.